Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. Today I brought good news. I'm officially a funded trader. I passed my phase 1 and phase 2 challenge on 5 hours. Woo! Congratulations to me. It was not an easy journey. But I thank God for life, thank God for consistency and discipline. Despite my errors, trials and everything, I still managed to pass my phase 2 and now I'm a funded trader. This is to tell you that God is good. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, if you don't know my name is MerlinFxng, and what do I do here? I document my journey, I document my whole process, the wins, the loss and everything. I share it with you guys on this YouTube channel. So if you're interested in this type of content, do well to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so that I can get notified whenever I post a video like this. Alright, so without was before we go into my trading dashboard, I just want to give you guys an advice. So if you're a new trader, all you need to do is just don't focus on the money yet, just focus on the knowledge aspect, focus on learning, focus more on mastering yourself. Then the market will definitely give you money effortlessly if you master yourself. I made so many mistakes, I corrected so many mistakes, and I'm still learning. But right now I'm so happy. I'm a funded trader. It's not an easy journey. I've cried, I've doubted myself, like what's going on. I've questioned why I even started trading, but today that question is over. Alright, because I finally gotten funded. I already told you guys this year is going to be a prosperous year. We're going to be cashing out, we're going to be placing those withdrawals, and double congratulations to me. I got another Propfirm challenge, a $10,000 Propfirm challenge. Like, I just so much thank God. I so much thank God for the journey. It has not been an easy one. But more details on the Propfirm I got later, but for now let's head over to my dashboard so I can show you guys my funded accounts. Though they have not processed it yet to the funded stage, but I've passed phase 2, so within some couple of hours I should be getting my funded account and start trading. Right now what I want to do on this funded account, no pressure, you're going to be taking it one step at a time. You're not rushing trades. You're going to be taking calculated risk, calculated trades, proper execution, no guesswork, no nothing. We're just going to focus on absolute execution of the right entry. Alright, right entry, right exit point at the same time. We are not going to rush the process, and we're going to make a video of withdrawal on this YouTube channel. Alright, so without wasting much time, do it to hit that subscribe button so we can go straight to our dashboard and check it out. I'm so happy right now. I'm just so happy. Alright, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's go to our dashboard. What's up guys? So let's just head over to our dashboard and reload the page. Right, so I'm just so happy. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy that I'm doing this video, especially now that I'm a funded trader. I'm just so happy doing this video right here. So let's load up, let this load up so we can see what we've got. Why is this thing taking off time to load? Don't delay. This dashboard is fucking with my feelings, bro. Alright, first of all, you can see the profit goal is right here. The profit goal right here is $625, and I made over 229, making it a total of $629. Alright, as you can see right here, they are processing the account to get to a funded stage. Alright, I'm just so happy right now. I'm just so happy. And the good thing about this Propfirm is you can actually scale up if you don't want to withdraw your money. You can actually scale up. Once you reach the withdrawal, you can actually decide to scale up, and they'll give you 3,000, and you can scale it up to 12,000. But I'm not scaling anything. I'm just going to be trading manually and be withdrawing my money. Alright, so let's go down to the account history. Alright, if you look right here, I started this account with minus. I started with $202,500, and my first trade was lost, second trade was lost, fourth trade was lost. I was just swimming in losses right here. I managed to bring it back up a little bit, and guess what? I encountered drawdown. I was just left with $42 to blow this account. You can see how crazy it was. I was left with $42 to blow this account. That was the craziest thing that I have ever done. And it went up. I was able to bring it back to break even. Alright, I was able to bring it back to break even right here, as you can see. And I encountered another drawdown. From this drawdown, that was where everything changed. I saw a very nice setup. I decided to go all in with accurate execution and risk management, and guess what? That was the trade that changed everything. And that was it. From almost blowing the account to passing it, 629. And it was cool, right? It was very, very, very cool. Alright, so let's go down to right here. You can see my gross profit was $286 unrealized profit. You can see my weekly profit right here, which is 8.59%. I can see my profit target has been hit. Now when we look right here, you can see my gross loss, my overall loss that I've taken on this account is $359, and my overall profit is $489. You can see profit factor 1.3%. You can see best profit $167, and biggest loss was $103. It was crazy, like it was way crazy. You can see expectancy here, which is 8.1%. You can see my trade size, and you can see the amount of the average I've hold a trade. This is the average that I've been able to hold a particular trade. You can see my target all has been hit. So you can see my profit, my win rate is 50%. If you check the last video I did on the phase 1 account, my win rate was at 39%, but right now my win rate is at 50%, and you can see right here they say good. Alright, so let's check on the account that we passed, on the trades that we passed. Let's check it out and see. I'm trying to see if I can load this up. Okay. Alright, when you look right here, you can see this was the first, the 2 wins. Let's calculate our wins and our losses. Let's see why we got our 50% win rate. You can see this is the first win, second win, third win, fourth win, fifth win, sixth win, 7 and 8 win. And we have our first loss, second loss, third loss, fourth loss, 5, 6, 7. You can see right here, I had about 7 losses and 8 wins, and I was able to pass this account. I'm just so happy. Alright, so this was the account, and this is how it is. Right now I'm waiting for them to process the funded stage, and we're gonna start making withdrawals. I just can't wait. And I don't want to put pressure on myself. Alright, so on the 10k account that I got it on 8k Propfirm, and it's a $10,000 phase 2, and right now I'm up in profit of about $41. But this is how this account is currently running. You can see my profit target right here. I'm in a trade on BTC and it's running in minus $93, and I'm also on a trade on gold and it's running in $128 in profit. Alright, so this is how it is. Let's see how it goes. We just hopefully we pass this account to its accurate trade execution. Alright, I'm just so happy, and congratulations to me. I've passed my phase 2 funded 5 hours account. I'm just so happy. So that's it, and thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos, subscribing, and the encouragement and all of that. I really do appreciate. And also tell me in the comment section, how is your trading going so far in the year 2026? We are still in January and today is the 26th day of January. When this video might come up, it might be 27, 28, I don't know yet, but after doing this video I'm going to edit it. So tell me, how is your trading going? Are you making positive profit or are you making negative? If you're making either profit or loss, make sure you stick to the game plan, accurate trade execution, risk management, most especially risk management, and always learn how to exercise patience and wait for your right setup to form before taking any trade. Alright, and even if you are taking a trade, don't go all in with the whole of your capital. I made so many mistakes on this account that I've learned, and I've really learned a lot from this account. If you go back to my previous video that I made, the worst mistake that I ever did on my trading career in the year 2026, you can go back and watch those videos. You see the mistakes that I've learned, and also you can learn from it too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget, we're going to make withdrawal on this account, be it little as $50, $100, 200, 50, 100, but we are going to make withdrawal. That withdrawal is to show that yes, consistency pays, and we are going to keep making withdrawals consistently. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you get notified, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. My name is MerlinFxng. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and stay patient. Always trust in God. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.